welcome back, folks. Rehmani here, hoping all is well with you and yours in health and in spirits. Today, I have a very powerful message to share with you based on my own life experiences. It's all about accepting yourself with grace, really valuing who you really are, and not letting mistakes bring you down. In this video, we'll explore the incredible strength and growth that comes from adopting our imperfections and just being ourselves. So, let's dive right in. See, we live in a world that constantly bombards us with images of what we should be and making it easy to neglect that we too are beautifully flawed individuals. But what you need to remember, perfection is an illusion. Each one of us are unique and we have a set of strengths, weaknesses, quirks, and talents that makes us unique in our own little way. It's time to recognize and truly appreciate our true, authentic selves just as we are. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They are an inevitable part of life's journey. Instead of beating ourselves up over them, we should use them as learning experiences, as opportunities for growth and learning. Heck, I'll be the first one to admit that I've made my fair share of mistakes and I used to let them consume me. But then I realized that dwelling on them only consumed me in a negative way. It's imperative to learn from our mistakes, pick ourselves up, and move forward with rejuvenated wisdom and determination. Now, let's get into self-acceptance. It's about knowing and recognizing your worth and valuing yourselves, flaws and all. Remember, you are a unique combination of strengths and weaknesses that no one else possesses. Love your individuality because that's what makes you a very special person. Society might try to dictate what perfection looks like, but it's time we as unique people redefine it on our own terms. Perfection isn't all about having intact looks, being the smartest, or being the most accomplished. It's about embracing our own imperfections and loving ourselves regardless. So, how can we start accepting ourselves with grace? It begins with a mindset change. Instead of focusing solely on our shortcomings, let's celebrate our strengths. Take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the unique qualities that make you who you are. Remember, there's no one quite like you in this world, and that's a fact. Here are a few tips to help you on your journey of self-acknowledgement and self-love. Number one, always practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, especially when you make mistakes. Remember, you're only human and making errors is part of the human experience and journey. Number two, surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who value and support you. Build a circle of friends who truly appreciate you for who you are and encourage you on your journey. Number three, focus on personal growth. Embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growing yourself. Use them as stepping stones towards becoming the best version you can be. Finally, I want to leave you with this thought. You are beautifully imperfect, and that's what makes you awesome and unique. It's time to stop apologizing for being yourself and start celebrating who you truly are. Always remember, you are worthy of love, respect, and self-acceptance. I appreciate you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance. Let's move forward with dignity and embrace our imperfections and live our lives with true authenticity. And always remember, you are enough. If you are open and ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and embrace your imperfections, visit my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com today, and you will discover the resources and tools that can empower you to value yourself, learn from your mistakes, and build a life that aligns with your truest self and live life on your own terms. Always make it a great day. And remember to always go for your dreams no matter what, and stay focused, positive, and healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.